In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Grok AI to help summarize a PDF. We'll go through the steps you need to follow in a straightforward and clear manner, allowing you to get the best out of this tool in just a few minutes. First, we'll begin by heading to Google. This might sound simple, but it's always the first step in finding any web-based tool. So fire up your favorite web browser and navigate to Google. Once you're there, head to the search bar and type in Grok. This is the platform we'll be using today, and with a quick tap of your Enter key, the search results will populate. Now that you've got your search results, look for the Grok website. You should see it prominently listed near the top. Clicking on it will take you directly to their official site. This is where the magic happens. Once you're on the Grok homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's usually quite straightforward, designed to be user-friendly and intuitive. Next, we need to focus on uploading the PDF you want to summarize. Look for the clip icon. This is typically used to upload files. Clicking on it will open a dialog box that allows you to select your file. Here, locate your PDF file on your computer, select it, and then confirm the upload. This step is crucial as it sets the basis for everything else we will do today. With your PDF now uploaded, it's time to create a prompt. Think of this as giving Grok some specific instructions. For instance, you might want to use a prompt like, summarize the key lessons and main message from the PDF, The Power of Small Habits. Focus on the practical advice and mindset shifts it recommends. The goal here is to be clear and precise, so Grok knows exactly what you need from the content. This not only aids in understanding, but also in ensuring you get comprehensive, useful summaries. Once your prompt is ready, the next step is simply to click the Submit button. This action starts the summarization process. While you wait, know that Grok is parsing through your document, identifying the core ideas, and crafting a summary that aligns with your prompt. It might take a few moments depending on the length of the PDF, but soon you'll have a concise summary ready for you to use. There you have it, a simple way to use Grok AI to effectively summarize a PDF. Give it a try and see how it can help distill complex information into easy-to-digest insights. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your tools and tech. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.